Hey there everybody, I'm Dustin Woods for Canada Moto Guide, and welcome to another episode of CMG Garage. We are going to be doing a tail tidy install on the 2019 Triumph Thruxton R project. I am really excited about this particular package. I was looking for a really long time for the right setup, and this one seems to check all the boxes. So inside the box here, we've got hardware here, and we have the piece itself, which is way more streamlined than the factory OEM piece. So we're looking forward to getting this installed. Let's get started, shall we? Start by simply unlocking and removing the seat. Next, we'll remove the plastic bracket holding the ECU in place by pushing back the plastic clips. Place the ECU to the side and finish removing the bracket. Unclip wiring harness, but do not remove. Loosen and remove the 6 bolts holding the fender in place, 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You can discard these bolts as the kit comes with its own hardware. Once these bolts are removed, the fender can then be freed from the frame rails, but the wiring harness will still be attached. To unhook the wiring harness, push down on the plastic tab, locking it into place. The stock fender can then be fully removed. Here, you can see the size difference between the stock fender assembly and the analog tail tidy kit. The analog kit comes with 3 different sized bolts, 4 spacers, and a rubber strap to hold the ECU in place. Start with the longest 4 bolts and spacers. Insert the larger screws on top and tighten with the Allen key. Screw spacers into place and tighten with a socket. The tail tidy assembly kit can now be inserted. The 4 mid-size screws can be installed now, followed by the 2 smallest screws included in the kit. Put the ECU back into place and connect the wiring harness. Use the rubber strap provided to secure the ECU. Tuck wiring in behind the ECU. The seat may now be put back into place, and there we are. In under 5 minutes, we're done. And look at that. Lighter and less bulky, while still offering bright, clear visibility of the rear lights and turn signals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!